Okay, we've let our soap set and it's nice and hard, so we're going to take and unmold it and cut it and see what the inside looks like. And I want to apologize for all the shadows and dark coloring in the video. I guess I have a lot to learn about lighting. If any of you have any helpful hints or anything, just let me know and leave it in the comments below. Okay, here we go. Back up there. And I'll hold it a little bit. Okay, each one should look a little different. We need to do a little cleaning up. I'm going to put a couple out here. Let's see if we can clean them edges off. Okay, there you go. I'll probably just spray these with a little bit of alcohol and get the drag marks off. And then we'll get them all cleaned up. So, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe and come back and we'll be making other soaps.